How you going, guys? So today we're doing the install video on the EVC throttle controller. Now their old name was iDrive, their new name, they are now under Ultimate 9. So today we'll be doing the install on the 79 series and doing tests later on in this video. So we'll jump into it and see how it goes. I'll even do the unboxing and show you what's on the inside. So here's the throttle controller here. It's pretty cool. You've got the white display if you like. There's also the grey option, so you can just stick them on. Yeah, so you got black, grey or white, so it just comes down to personal choice, whatever one suits you. Also, we'll open him right up. So there's the throttle controller. It's all plug and play. And here's the other one which will be going on to the top of our throttle controller pedal. Also get a sticker, 2 little zippy ties, and the installation instructions. Right, we'll jump on into it and get it in. Right guys, so what we're going to do here is we've got to locate the factory fly-by wire plug, which is this fella just on top here. So it is on top of the accelerator pedal. There we go. Right, now we've got him off. Right, so a little while to get off, but once you get it, just push that little top clip in and you will feel it and you'll hear it click. And then yeah, it just comes off. Right guys, so once we've unplugged the factory fly-by-wire, which I've done on the top of the pedal here, we will then grab the Ultimate 9 cable here, and that will plug into the top of the pedal assembly. And just push him straight in, and you'll hear it click in. You'll then have this wire sticking out. We'll then grab the throttle controller. So once you've got the unit, feed your wire just down below the steering, and you'll get it to hang out down the bottom here, and this is what's coming off the top of the pedal. So plug these two fellas together. There we go, you'll hear that click together. Then off here, here's the factory one that I pulled out. We'll then slide that one into the top of the Ultimate 9. And you'll hear that click in too. Alright, so I plugged all the unit in. We know that it's working. I'll then pull the sticky side off the back. And I'm just going to mount it just up here. Out there. So now that we have the Ultimate 9 throttle controller installed, I'll run you through the 4 stages on the display. So the small 2 minuses you can see on the screen just means it is off. Now this is economy mode. You've got from 1 to 9. Give you an example. Go right up to 9. And you've got ultimate mode. Same thing, 1 to 9. And auto control. Now this is what we've found works best for us. It has made a massive difference towing, there's no lag. And when you put the foot down, there is an instant response from overtaking a vehicle, going into first gear and going up an incline. We couldn't recommend this product enough by Ultimate 9. It's affordable and it's worth having in your vehicle. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Drop a comment below and please hit the like and subscribe button.